Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we did our 10.25 inch Android for a 2007 BMW 328xi. These people, they drove from Buffalo to here to get it done. That's where we put the camera. And this is our new iOS 6 MBT menu. As you can see, you can go to the apps, you can go to backup camera, and that's the iDrive we put. We can use the iDrive. That's the music, and also we can go to video. The sound comes through the aux of the unit.
Hey everyone.
All right, let's get to work.
Hey Roman, you freaking out?
No. Yes, you are.
Should somebody just walk me through what we're supposed to be doing?
The offline maps are here, and also you can see the dash info. You can click on it, or if you don't click on the dash info, you still can see how many miles you still can drive, and how much gas left in the gas tank. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online at our website 4x4shop.ca. Thank you and have a great day.